Join the Amazon team by applying for a job today. Getting started is easy. Click the Apply button to access the job profile and consent page. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Next, click Continue to log in or create an account specifically for job applications, separate from your Amazon shopping account. If you're a new applicant, select Create One to set up your new profile. Once you've set up your account, you'll be taken to the contact information page. Here, your first name, last name, email address, and mobile number will be automatically filled in. Complete any additional required fields and click Save and Continue. Note that address fields have a limit of 30 characters. To help us understand if you're a good fit for the role, you'll answer some general questions about your qualifications. Take your time and answer thoroughly, then click Save and Continue. Then, you'll move to Tell Us About Yourself page, where you can share details about your work history, education, language skills, and, if applying for a work-from-home position, your home internet connection. Click Save and Continue once you've completed this section. We value diversity and strive to create an inclusive environment where everyone can bring their authentic self to work. You'll have an opportunity to voluntarily share information about your gender identity, ethnicity, sexual orientation, and disabilities. This will be kept confidential and will not impact your application. Next step will be the assessments. You'll need to download the secured exam browser for Windows 8 or 10 when prompted. This ensures a fair and secure testing experience. You'll also be asked to enable your camera and take a selfie for identity verification. Click Next to move forward with your assessments. On the following page, we'll provide detailed instructions and guidelines to help you prepare for a smooth experience. If you have any questions, our FAQs are here to assist you. Once you've completed the assessments, navigate back to your application and follow the instructions to complete your e-signature. Click on Submit your application and you're done. We're excited for you to take the next step in your job application journey with Amazon. Let's get started!